Okay guys, welcome back. Welcome to FX Beethoven Forex Argo Decoded. My name is JD. Today I want to talk about entries, guys, how to take professional entries using manipulation. So this is gonna be a powerful video. I want to make sure that every one of you can take beautiful entries. When I say beautiful entries, I mean accurate entries, safe entries, that you feel comfortable when you are taking this type of entries. So make sure you watch video till the end, guys. Make sure you watch video till the end and make sure you subscribe, guys. So here we talk about manipulation, guys, when you are talking about direction. And of course this is a strong concept, very powerful. Many of you maybe they ignore it, but this is very powerful. So you've got manipulation to the upside, as you can see here. This kind of manipulate this one and then trade it higher. So this is a sign that institutions are getting in here. Banks, they are entering here. Big guys, they are entering the market on this level. So you have to understand this, guys. So after they have entered the market, you have to be ready to join them. So what happens, they will come back to test this level. They will come back to test this level. So think about the next candle, how the next candle will come down here before it goes higher. They will come back to test this level. So please understand, this is what I'm trying to teach you guys. They will come to take this level and they push price higher. So follow carefully. So here, as you can see, this is going to happen. You get the point. So what do you need? Every time you see manipulation, for example, you're going to take the low of the week or the low of the day or the low of the 4-hour candle. You study manipulation, you get the point, and you know it's time to go higher. So after you see this, guys, watch here carefully. After you see this, you change to lower time frame to find what? To see if you can find a dealing range. So what is a dealing range? So a dealing range is a range that is created after manipulation. A range that is created after manipulation, and that range is institutional range. Institutions are going to use that to drive price higher or down. So understand that. So this is going to be your dealing range. A dealing range will have taken, for example, liquidity here to the upside. It's going to be liquidity level is taken. As you can see, guys, liquidity level is taken. This buy side liquidity is taken. So down here, another sell side liquidity is taken on this level. Then after that, this is sell side liquidity is taken. After that, we get a true BOS to the upside. We get a true BOS to the upside. So this time you have what? You have a dealing range. We have what? We have a dealing range. So what we need what? We need to see a pullback forming, a deep pullback into the discount zone of this range, below 50% of this range. So if you have pricing efficiency, I mean a fair value gap, like ICT fair value gap, you can use that, guys, for entry. You know market's gonna target there. So all you have to do, you draw your Fibonacci and you calculate 50% of your range. You wanna see market dropping down into the discount zone for you to enter. But the secret is here. You are trading a range you trust. You know institutions are getting in here. They have joined the move. They are buying, guys. You get the point. I will show you how to do it. I wanna make sure you can make beautiful entries. And again, you have to invest your time in understanding manipulation. So if you need to study manipulation, you can check in the video description. There is a link there for the course. You can go and access it anytime, and you stop wasting your time, guys. So here we want to check if this pattern has created what? A clear range. If we see that, that's the time for us to eat, guys. You remember you will have a bullish candle forming. As I told you in my previous videos, I told you, as long as you see a manipulation FU or anti FU forming and there is no negation, so prepare for a big push to the upside. Even if you can see a negation here, and you see, for example, you are in New York session or London session, and you have a bias, a hard time from bias, you can understand that manipulation is for it, that until if you is drive price down to perform a retest here, and you have to expect another negation to form. I mean it like this. Let's say you have a negation forming here. You have a negation forming here, guys, and this candle is negating. This is a negation. Since we have a strong bias to the upside on a high time frame, expect what? Expect another negation to form here. This candle will trade down and we negate this one again, and it will close bullish. It will close bullish like this. Another negation forming. What matters is you understand this secret. You can apply this to any candle. You can apply this to M15 candle. If you want to buy M15 candle, you can apply it to 4-hour candle. You can apply it to 1-hour candle, guys. You can apply to any candle as long as you are done mastering what? You are done mastering manipulation. You are done mastering last year of liquidity. You know how to calculate liquidity. So you are ready to go. So let's go to the chart and I show you guys how you have to do it. So here, let's go. For example, they have been a good example. A good example here. So this is GBP USD on a daily time frame. On a daily time frame. So we already have what? We already have manipulation to the upside. We are bullish. We are already bullish. So let's say you are going to buy this candle. You're going to buy this candle. I told you, every time you are going to do what? Every time you are going to buy a candle, please put a vertical line inside like this, so that you know the open price. Do not trade without vertical line in your candle. First of all, do this. This is the best guide. So on a daily, you can use 4-hour and 2-hour time frame to study manipulation, and then you go to 4-hour to study what? To study manipulation. So here you can clearly see here. You can clearly see market was here with a clear move, and then manipulation started. This candle opened, this one. I'm gonna remove this line. I hope you can see. I will remove a bit. You can see. So we have manipulation to the upside, as you can see. This candle is manipulating, first of all, this major liquidity. This major liquidity doji, a strong liquidity to target, a strong liquidity to target. So here, this is the liquidity to target. It's manipulated. Even this one was, I think, was manipulated, or it was creating double bottom, I think. a liquidity to target. Somehow double bottom, another strong liquidity to target, seemingly double bottom, like a low liquidity. So here we have what? Market is going higher. After reaching this area, the candle negated. We call it self-negation, negating this level. It is touching, it is grabbing what? This liquidity high again. Remember, a doji inside here has both strong liquidity on both sides. For those who already know how to calculate that, they know. You get the point. So here, after negation, you know this level is gonna be taken. This low is gonna be taken here. After being taken, as you can see, after being taken, market went higher and broke this high with a clear body, a strong FU, a strong FU. A strong manipulation is formed on this area. So you mark this level as your liquidity level that was taken. Your liquidity level is taken. This your sell side liquidity is taken. Now, a structure high is broken with a clear body. Now we know institutions, they are willing to go higher. This is the only thing we need, and then we take action. Institutions are willing to go higher, as you can see. Now what we do, we are going to find a dealing range. We want to see if we have a clear dealing range. So you go to a time frame like M15. You go to our time frame M15. So can you see our dealing range, guys? It has taken liquidity on both sides. It took liquidity here. It took another liquidity level here. This is one side. On the bottom, it took liquidity right here. Then after that, we've got a true BOS. We have got a true BOS. This is a range with trust. This is a range with trust. We know institutions, they are here. They entered here. This is the entry of institutions because I've got a strong FU, a strong manipulation to the upside. There is no negation. We are clear. The move is gonna go higher. All we need, you do what? You apply what? You apply your fib. You calculate 50% of your range equilibrium, and you can see below 50% is the discount, and then you have what? You have your imbalance and everything here. You have your imbalance right there. So you are ready to do what? You are ready to buy the market. As market is heading down here, entering this level, you can do what? You can go long on this area. You can go long on this area. Stop loss, true stop below your FU. Market will not cross it. 3 pips of stop loss, as you can see in this quick move. 3 pips of stop loss, and then market is running the whole day. You have the whole idea. You get your 1:227 risk reward ratio. You can see that. So this is it, guys. This is it, guys. Let me give you another example, a simple example here. Let's say we have H4 time frame. Let's say I wanna buy this candle, this H4 time frame. On this H4 time frame, I put the vertical line inside this candle, guys. Do you see that, folks? So after that, when the candle opens, and then I do what? I go to lower time frame like M15 to start the manipulation. So you see, look at the open of the candle, 4-hour candle. It opened right after manipulation has happened. As you can see here, a clear activity FU, sign that next candle is likely to be bullish. So this is our activity FU, as you can see. This is our anti-FU. So is price manipulating after trading within this trade away gap. You can see that void. I mean a fair value gap. You get the point, right? So here, after this, go to our time frame. You go to our time frame, check like M5, M3 to see if you have a D-ring range. Check M1 if you have a D-ring range. If you have what? If you have a D-ring range. Check if you have what? Check if you have a D-ring range. So if you can study here, even if you don't have a higher time frame, I mean if seconds, you can clearly see that we have what? We have a zone that grabbed the liquidity here. This low was taken by this strong move, you see, by this strong move, and then you've got what? You've got a clear break of structure here. So because this is lower time, this is the latest lower time frame, we don't have 30 seconds. We are supposed to see what? We are supposed to see how this high was manipulating inside here. Now this is a range we trust. A range. Where is the range? From this low. From this low to this high. This is your range. This is your range here. This is your range. Then you have a pullback coming when the candle opens. It opens when a pullback is already almost over. So without hesitation, guys, you go long here. You can even buy here on this move. Stop loss below here. Again, 2.9 pips of stop loss. 2.9 pips of stop loss. And then you are enjoying what? You are enjoying the move. You are trading the move. You understand. If there is no pullback within your zone, do not enter. So you get the point. Hope you can see. Another entry, just the candlestick open. Always trade after the opening of the candle. If you are going to take a trade in 1 hour, make sure you open after. Make sure you wait for 1 hour candle to start, and then study powerfully of that candle. Hope you get the idea. Hope you understand what I mean. Same will continue happen on all pairs. In all pairs, guys. Same thing. You understand? This is not the video I was planning to give you guys. I was planning to talk about the last day of liquidity, but I decided to talk about entries because some were asking how to enter. Entering is as long as you master manipulation. Check the video description and go and watch that course, guys, and enjoy. You get the point. Put your vertical line within here. If a candle doesn't give you what you want, you let it go. You have to trade something you fully understand. You have to trade something you fully understand. This is daily. This is daily structure. You understand this daily structure. For example, this is not a good trade. However, personally, if I study every candle, I can get a move. However, if you without a retest is not a good setup. Then, for example, until the FU is formed here, now you understand that the price is likely to go higher. price is likely to go higher. Now you know you are going to study this candle to see how you can catch the move. So you go to a time frame like M15. Make sure everything must match your trading sessions. London session, New York session. So you are going there. After going there, you find what? You find a true range. You find a true range. You find a true range. You can see the grab the liquidity. Sometimes you not see another money liquidity grab here because we are always using lower time frame. I mean, we don't see enough details here. So here, this is what we want first of all, a true range. A true range. Now try to see. Market is coming back to this level. Market is coming back to this level. Then you do what? You go long here. Simple and easy. Simple and easy. 80 pips of stop loss. Do you want to make it? Do you need a small stop? If you need a small stop, then you study what? You study 1 hour candle only. How it is going to change the move. For example, if I go to 4 hour. If I go to 4 hour candle and I put the vertical line inside, let me put the vertical line here. I will make it blue to make it a bit different. Let's put a vertical line here. So I'm going to go back again to like M15. Do you see how I'm changing the time frame from daily to 4 hour, from 4 hour to M15? So here we can clearly see a manipulation forming. Let's say for example, I already know I can buy, but I need a small stop loss. So I can see here, if you can look at here, this is the open of the candle. It is started with a clear manipulation until the FU forming here. Until the FU is formed. So I'm going to study manipulation of 4 hour candle only. Regardless of this, I'm not interested in this. I want to see how I'm going to buy without putting the stop loss just below there. So I have until the FU down. You get the idea. So what I do, I'm going to find a dealing range. I'm going to find a dealing range. Then I go to 3 minutes, for example. I go to 3 minutes to see if I can find a dealing range. If I don't find it, no problem. Okay, clearly you can see. You can see. You can see now we have a liquidity run on this area. Since the liquidity was taken, true structure was broken. Look at another stop hunt here. You can see that we now know institutions, they are joining this move. They are joining this move. So now I have what? I have a Fibonacci retracement. A Fibonacci retracement. I'm calculating 50% of my range. As long as the price dropping below 50%, equilibrium. You get the point. So you do what? You start buying when it is dropping. You start buying when it is dropping. Now you are enjoying what? True stop here, just like 1 pipette below. That's it. True stop there. You have to understand how to identify a zone where you're going to use a true stop. You get the idea. Now I'm buying 4 hour manipulation. I'm buying 4 hour manipulation. Do you see that, guys? Now 3.8 pips of stop loss on GBP JPY. On GBP JPY. And then you enjoy the ride. You enjoy the ride. You get it, guys? Do you get it, guys? you enjoy the ride. Same thing, same thing, same thing. Even here, the new day, a beautiful dealing range already here. It runs a query here, and then price went to break structure. You have to understand that there was a manipulation going on here. There was a manipulation going on higher time frame. If you go back and check, there was a manipulation going on here. You have to understand, guys. I want you to understand, guys. There was a manipulation going on here. You remember? I told you. So on 1 hour, you can see. Look at the details now. The devil in the details. Do you see that? A clear FU forming. We now know institutions are getting in. It's time to join them. You get the point, guys? You get the point. Can you share this video? Can you like the video? So you now have what? You now have a clear sign that institutions are joining the move. What are you gonna do? You understand? You change to our time frame. The same here. Look at this manipulation. You know they are joining the move, so they are going to test the zone. Change to our time frame and sell this high as the forms. So you go to buy this low as the forms. You change to raw time frame, guys. 15 minutes. You've got your range. Your dealing range, guys. You've got your dealing range. This is what you need. And then you do what? And then you buy. First of all, calculate 50% of your range. As long as market is trading below 0.5 or 50% or equilibrium, you have it to buy as the low forms. Stop loss below 80 pips. Do you need a smaller stop loss? Then study this candle alone. If it is hourly candle, study manipulation of it alone. Let's say if this is the hourly candle, I mean this candle, this red candle, we're going to study manipulation of it. Every candle can create manipulation. You can buy, you can sell any candle. Do you understand, guys? You can buy and sell any candle. And then we are here. I mean, I'm using like 5 minutes to check. 5 minutes to check what's going on. Attempt the manipulation forming, not a good one. However, in 1 minute, let's see. In 1 minute, you can easily see that you've got after that until the manipulation. Even if it's a weaker one, you've got a dealing range. Why do we trust this type of ranges? Because they are formed after manipulation. We know backs are there. We are tracking them. We know they are there. A pullback to your zone. You can fearlessly buy the move as the forms. As the drops you are buying. 2 pips of stop loss. You enjoy this fearlessly. You enjoy that. You get the point? I hope to see you guys taking a trade on Monday. On Tuesday, Wednesday. Do you understand it, guys? Make sure you subscribe. If you want to master manipulation and the other secret stuff, guys, check in the video description. There is a link there to the course, or you can even message me. The same here, same concept. The secret is one. Make sure you always trade the candle open. candle open. Always trade the candle open. Make sure you do that. Make sure you trade the candle open. For example, if I wanna buy this 4-hour candle, I head to M15 to study what? To study manipulation, guys. Do you see that? Until the FU clear sign that institutions are joining the move. We are done tracking them. No more way to hide. Right? We are tracking them. So after, look at the start of the new candle here. So I know the next candle is gonna be bullish. So what am I gonna do now? I go to lower time frame, guys. 5 minutes, 1 minute, 1 minute, and then I find my range, interbank range, institutional range. You get an idea. You see, a bit more powerful. It becomes even more powerful when it has taken previous liquidity, like this area. That's what we'll have more. You see that run on liquidity. It goes down, running this liquidity, clear stop hunt, and then you've got what? You've got a true break of solution. This is my 1-hour candle. I've got a true BOS here. And you enter as the low forms. You enter as the low forms. You calculate your 50% of your range, and then you are buying. How many setup are we done seeing? 4 pips of stop loss, 5 pips somehow. So 5 pips, right? So you see that this is your 1, your 4-hour candle. You are buying 4-hour candle. You get the point. You are buying your 4-hour candle, and then you enjoy what? You enjoy the move. You enjoy the move. Do you see that? You enjoy the move. Look at this reward ratio, 1:15, 1:16. You can see that. Guys, are you loving this video, or the secret here? You can invest your time in studying manipulation because it's a big topic, and I'm done creating free chapters for students. I will create 6 chapters, and I want to make sure you understand, guys. You understand. So here, the same here. You saw how this move was dropping. Look at this area. Look at this area. Manipulation to the upside. A negation forms. Then market drops and break this structure low. Now we need to find our dealing range. Go to like 1 hour, 15 minutes. 15 minutes. You see that? You have your bearish dealing range. This one. So you need to do what? You need to sell as the high forms. You need to sell as the high forms on a retest on your FU. Very clear to see with your own eyes. I can make forex easy for you. You see that? This is it. Hope you can see. Okay, the move 1:20, 4 pips of stop loss. It's enough. Even 1 pipette can be a stop loss as long as you know where you put your true stop. True stop is here. True stop should be here. Maybe you add a little pipette for your spread. That's why I recommend you guys go to IC Market and open your accounts, because there is a zero spread. Zero. Very good broker. I'm not affiliate. I'm not an affiliate. So I'm just giving you an idea. I'm just giving you advice, guys. Do you get the point? Go test this on gold. It's the same. It's the same. You guys make sure you subscribe to this channel. Make sure you follow me on Telegram. Make sure you follow me on Twitter. All those links are down there. If you need to study manipulation, check in the video description. There are so many chapters that are going to come. Of course, there is some more videos about the order flow, because you need to understand how to read ranges and the different types of liquidity, primary liquidity, whatever. You have to understand trapping patterns, everything, and then after that you start watching those chapters. They are animated videos, very beautiful. They show you everything, so you get the idea. So guys, make sure you subscribe, guys. Until next time, guys, good luck and good trading.